Hey guys, it's me again. Okay, so I want to show you guys super quick, super fast, how to crack a cat's neck, and I'm gonna do it faster this time, just so you guys can see. Okay, this is Russia, my cat, and I'm gonna zoom in. Hopefully you guys can hear it clearly. So you want to grab your cat in the middle of you like this. Sit him down good. Now you're gonna you can put your hand on the back of his back, or you can put your hand in the front of his chest like this. You're not choking him, don't worry, you're just holding him so you can get a good grip. And you're gonna grab his face like this and kind of move your hand to the side so you can have grip. And let's crack the first side. Ooh, that was good. Okay, now let's do the other side. You see, he's not crying, it didn't hurt him. So let's do the other side. Did you guys hear that? And look at, he did not cry, he didn't meow or nothing. Now let's see. Do you see that? If this would have hurt him, he would have scratched me by now, and if he would have, you know how cats are. They get crazy if they don't like anything. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you guys have any questions or comments.